Hey everyone, welcome back to Food Prep Inc. Today we're going to be preparing this Mama Mancini's Italian style sauce and jumbo beef meatballs. We picked this up at Sam's Club, and if you happen to have lost your sleeve or something, we've got you covered. So we're going to just take this off, and here is our package of meatballs. Now you can heat it up in the microwave or the stove. We're going to go for the OG, the stove today. So basically you're just going to turn this on its end so that you can get all the sauce from one side of it. Get yourself your kitchen scissors, and we're going to cut this open and then put it into our pot. Now I'm going to get my pot going on medium heat, and then we're just going to pour these in here slowly. Hopefully they don't splash a whole lot. I'm just going to distribute these around a little bit so that they're nice and snuggled in there. We're going to cover up our pot, and we're going to cook this for about 12 minutes on medium heat, and we're going to check back in and stir it every few minutes or so that the sauce doesn't stick. All right guys, this has been cooking for about 10 minutes. We need to lower our heat to low. This is bubbling away quite a bit in here, so just be careful whenever you take your lid off because there is a lot going on. Give this a little stir. And then we're gonna let this go for another 5 minutes just to keep heating up, and then we'll check back in when it's done. If you'd like to support this channel, the easiest way to do that is using our Amazon links the next time you shop there. All right guys, it has been the additional 5 minutes, so our meatballs are done. We're just gonna dish them out. And if you guys wanna know how these taste, definitely check out our other channel, 5 Minute Eats, where we're gonna give you a full review of them and let you know if we would purchase them again. But in the meantime, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and we'll catch you next time. Bye. All right guys, that's the video. If you like what we're doing here, definitely check out our other channel, 5 Minute Eats, and don't forget to give us a like and subscribe.